Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your drone footage and make it most cinematic. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do once you're onto your phone and connected to your controller is turn on your controller and drone, you want to connect to the Wi-Fi. So mine's is set to the default, so I'm going to connect to that. I've already put in the password. And this might take a while, so just give it a minute. Right, it will be connected, but it should say no internet connection in a second, so you'll have a little exclamation mark over it, but don't worry about that. Go into the DJI Go app, and then what you want to do once you're in there is go to your camera, but mine's just going to load into there straight away. Then you want to hit like the 3 bars on the side in the bottom, close to the bottom, not up the top, so with the little sliders on them. So you want to tap that, and I leave that on auto, so unless it looks really bad, I would leave it on auto, and you can change it if it looks really bad. Then I'm going to go over to the camera section, and I'm going to change the video size. You want to make sure you have that on the highest, so that's 2.7K at 30 frames a second. 24 is really cinematic if you want to film. Then I leave it on MOV format because I edit with a Mac and Final Cut Pro, and that's the best format. MP4 if you're Windows. Leave that on NTSC. Then I leave the white balance. I put it on custom, so don't put it on auto or any of those presets. Just adjust it when you're out there for it to look the best. So auto, as you can see, so I usually just leave it on 5200, but if I need to change it, I change it. Then style. Now a lot of people ask about this. You want to leave it on custom, so -3 for the triangle, then the semicircle -2, and then +0. I know that sounds like I don't know anything, but I'm pretty sure that's sharpness, contrast, and saturation. And I reckon that looks the best in custom instead of standard, because standards, it doesn't look best in post. And color. A lot of people are really confused about this, whether they should go normal, D-Log, or D-Cine-like. Now, if you don't want to color grade, you just want raw footage, I'll go normal. But if you want to color grade, I recommend D-Log. D-Cine-like is basically the same as D-Log, just a bit more saturated. So D-Log's and D-Log brings out the highlights a bit more and exposes it a bit more. And then D-Cine-like is a bit more saturated. And the last thing for getting the best look, if you're filming in D-Log or D-Cine-like, you want to color grade to make it look good. And I left 5 the ultimate LUT pack, which is in the description. I know it says free, but it's actually not. Sorry that I stuffed up in the thumbnail. It's $3.17, or pay whatever you want. I'm going to leave that in the description to my selfie. I do have some other products that can be free, but yeah. But that's it for this video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to drop a like, share with your friends if you enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.